Your office inkjet printer can make pictures in full color. They do this by depositing CMYK droplets onto the white paper. Normal 3D printers work by depositing one color of molten plastic layer by layer to build up a 3D shape. Our new technology works by combining CMYK coloring and 3D printing. Plastic filament is fed into a mixing chamber where it's blended together and deposited layer by layer to build up a full color 3D shape. You can print an infinite number of colors, and you only need to buy these 5 colors of filament ever again.